Have you been thinking, why don't I have any energy? Why can't I sleep? Or I don't want to be eating all of this junk, but I somehow can't stop? Are you ready to do something for you, but feel unmotivated? Well, you're definitely not alone. Those thoughts are shared by millions of other people right now. But don't worry, we have something just for you, and you're gonna love this. So my name is Glenda Britton. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and specialist in the field of mental wellness. And I'm working alongside Michele Welch of Smooth Rock Meditation Project. There we are working together before we had to self-isolate. Michele and I are passionate about bringing you the latest information of how you can stay healthy both physically and emotionally during the COVID-19 outbreak. So if you're interested in this kind of information, make sure to subscribe below and give us a thumbs up. The situation we're in has most of us searching for comfort, right? We're worried, we're concerned, understandably. This has never happened before. And what we often reach for are quick comforts like Netflix and bread. I know we watch so many Netflix series and I've certainly eaten my fair share of bread. But then there's also sugar, and sugar is really an issue because it actually lowers our immune system and increases inflammation. But the reason we reach for these things is because they are comforts that actually numb the discomforts, but they don't actually nurture us. They don't feed us. Does this sound familiar? Because if it does, Michele and I would like to invite you to join us for the 72-hour sugar-free challenge. It's going to be fun. You're going to learn a lot, and best of all, it's free. Immediately upon signing up, you're going to receive everything you need, right? Like in a downloadable booklets. You're going to actually receive a few of them, but the first one you're going to get right when you sign up, and it's got the recipes, the shopping lists, and the menu plan, so you can start getting organized right away. No one likes to do this kind of thing alone. I know I don't. So you're going to receive daily support and guidance from both Michele and I. Plus, you're going to be invited into our private Facebook group. Now, no obligation here because I know Facebook isn't everybody's thing, but this is where we're going to share our experiences and cheer each other on. Don't delay. You can sign up below. The start date is just next week, Tuesday, May 19th. So sign up right now so you don't forget. And once again, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the content. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.